Morning. So we had a little bit of rain last night, but the storm still is not here yet. Yeah, I don't know what I'm doing today. We have a 5 o'clock curfew, so that little info that I heard yesterday turns out it was true. Yeah, so whatever I decide to do today, I'm gonna be back in the house by 5 o'clock. Do y'all think I'm being real extra? I want to go to Sephora so bad. I want to go get this makeup so bad. It's Riri lunch. Y'all excuse my puffy face. I did wash my face and brush my teeth this morning, but I'm still puffy. I literally just got up. Um, but yeah, I want to go get this makeup. I don't know. I haven't filmed a makeup video in forever. And I want to film that one so bad. So I might stinks. So I don't know. I might go get it. We shall see. I don't even know if the malls are open. Like, they might not even be open today. But yeah, look, y'all. So I'm sitting on the couch last night, bored out of my mind, not really wanting to do any more homework, and I retwist my hair. Can you see? So I hate retwisting my hair. You know how people say, oh, I see my length after I retwist? No, not for the first day for me. My hair gets shorter because I guess I twist so tight. I don't know. But yeah, I retwisted last night with water only. My hair was dry, so I just sprayed it with my water mix and then retwist real quick. So we'll see how long this lasts. Hopefully not too long because I hate my fresh roots. But yeah, I don't know if I do decide to see what the mall is looking like or see what Sephora is looking like. They probably ain't letting people come to work. I know Millennium Mall closed down as of yesterday. So I don't know. The nearest Sephora to me may be closed. Maybe I should look it up. Or maybe I should just order it. I don't know. I might just leave it alone and don't worry about it till next weekend when everything goes back to normal. Hopefully the storm is not like crazy bad and I don't get the option for a while to try to make up, but I really want to go get it. I gotta bring this in. Look at my babies. So this lady works with my mom. Gave me this big one, right? Cut it out of her yard. She used to bring me like pieces all the time. So she cut this one out of her yard and she was like, hey, here, this is the last bit. I don't have any more. So I'm like, okay, I'll just pot it. And that was probably maybe 3 months ago. And look, I'm so excited. Yeah, but I'm gonna bring this in. I don't think I should leave this out here. Hopefully there's no lizards in there. I'm completely out of honey, so syrup it is. Hey guys, so we ate breakfast and I really want to get out of this house, but
Wait, that was a lie?
I don't want to waste no gas, and nothing is open, so it looks like we're just sitting here. Of course, there's always homework to do, right? But then what am I gonna do? So I really just been taking my time doing it because I'm literally stuck here all day and tomorrow. So yeah.
What to leave?
Netflix it is. And then I don't want him just sitting here on, well, he's playing a game now, but what else is he gonna do? Maybe I should have bought some card games or like some games or something for me and him to play. And he has some games, but y'all know after Christmas kids go losing stuff. So probably don't have all the pieces. So this is what we're doing. I'm about to, after this movie go off, or if I make it through the movie, I might be asleep. I don't know. But we'll see. This is what we're doing right now.
Do is just go and kill people. Shotgun. Oh my gosh, did he already just die? Oh.
Come on, watch your head.
Sorry. That's weird. What's that guy doing? What is he even doing? Alright, let me go upstairs. Can I buy anything up here? Nah, I can't. But yeah, I can't buy anything. What is it? Oh. Music mute.
Thank you.
Why can't I jump? Oh my gosh. Well, I can't even collect money. I want some monies. Give me some monies. I can't get no monies? Okay. No, wait. That was the wrong weapon. I'm gonna kill this guy.
What game is this, dude?
It's Superhero Tycoon. Die. Die, you stupid.
Superhero Tycoon on Roblox?
Yes. Haha. That's what you get. I'm about to kill this guy that always killed me. Wait, is this
Y'all think I need to get him his own YouTube channel?
Wait.
So everyone's going to be seeing these impacts, and I know a lot of people wondering what impacts am I going to see in my area. So breaking it down county by county, at this point, based off the current track, this is what we're expecting. Seminole County looking at winds sustained between 75 to 85 miles per hour. We're already seeing some rain moving in off the Atlantic. Could get quite a bit more over the next couple of days. So flooding a bit of a concern here, and being off to the right of the storm that does intend.
All right, so it's like 4:30 at this point. I haven't been anywhere. Like, what's the point? And I'm not going anywhere because now we got 30 minutes to be off the roads. And when they establish curfews, they will pull you over. Don't nobody got time for that. It's drizzling. It has been raining a little bit off and on. And because I'm being so lazy, I did not want to unlock the sliding door so that I can take down my son's basketball goal from off the storage door. So now I'm gonna walk through wet grass and hope I don't step in a poop. Most people clean their dog poop up, but I don't know. Oh, that's a fat lizard. But yeah, gotta take this down. Woo. So yeah. Look at that. It's horrible. Every time we knock that wasp nest down, it comes back. He never even uses that thing because those wasps stay back there. Oh, so update on this Fenty. I'm gonna get it. I started to order it, but then I'm like, nah, that's kind of stupid. because what if the storm is like real bad and I need all the money I can get my hands on, you know? So of course I'm gonna wait. It ain't like it's gonna sell out in Sephora because the mall was closed today, but I do want it. But yeah, I'm just walking back around getting this house. I think I'm going to end the vlog here because I really don't have a bye. Okay, it's weird vlogging around strangers, so that's why I stopped talking. But I'm gonna end the vlog here because I really don't have nothing to talk about. Somebody told me that I should go live later. I don't know, I'm thinking about it, I might. But yeah, thank y'all for tuning in who are watching, and thank y'all for y'all prayers. We really appreciate it. But I'll come in and check in maybe tonight, if not tomorrow. But it'll be on the vlog for tomorrow. I'm vlogging. Do you want to say hi? No, I don't. Okay, bye.